Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on Android. Android's parental controls live inside the Google Play Store app. So, you'll need to open that on the device on which you want parental controls to run. Depending on the specific version of Android you have, you'll either see the three-line hamburger menu icon in the search bar at the top, or you'll have a tappable profile picture as shown here. Tap on it and then on Settings. You should now see several options in the Settings page. The one we want is Family. Tap on the arrow at the right of the screen. When you tap on the arrow, it will expand the section, enabling you to see the available options and the current status of the parental controls. If someone hasn't already set up parental controls for this device, it should say that parental controls are off. Tap on that option to continue. Then push the button. Before you can adjust the parental control settings, you need to turn parental controls on. You can do that by tapping the button at the top of this video. As you'd expect, you hit the same button if, for whatever reason, you want to turn parental controls off again. Of course, there's no point having a parental control system if the kids can simply swagger into settings and turn it off. To prevent this, Android will now ask you to create a PIN. Don't forget it. You won't be able to turn off parental controls without it. You can now tap on the kind of content or which you want you to add restrictions. As you can see, the limit system couldn't be simpler. Just pick the age rating you want to enforce, and Android will do the rest. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.